Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to complete a to-do in Basecamp. All right, so first don't log into your Basecamp account. Now, once you're in here, you'll have your schedule and your assignments. When you scroll down, okay, you'll have your to-dos in here. For example, I have here from one of my schedules, just tap on the checkbox and it will be done or completed. Now, let's say you have a task or to-dos in here. You can go ahead and click on See All and do the same. All right. Now, another option is by going to Home and opening up the project itself. Go ahead over to your to-do section, click on it, and then once done, one by one, you can go ahead and tick on it. All right. As you can see here, it goes to the bottom. That means that it's already done or completed. Now, going back, let's say you have finished everything, okay, in one go. So what you'll do is just basically click on each, all right? As we don't have the option to select all and then mark it as finished. Say click at the top right here and then hold Shift on your keyboard. Select the very last to do. Okay. As you can see, the only option is to assign, do on, move to. When you click on move to, as you can see, we don't have the complete button as well. So basically, just tick them all one by one. And once done, you're good to go. All right. That is how you complete a to-do in Basecamp. Now, when you check it out right here in your project, as you can see, under to-dos, you don't have those tasks or to-dos anymore. It will be under scheduled and it will be marked as completed. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you at the next one.